My name is Trevor Haug, and I'm here with my wife Anna, and we're with Passageway Financial. If you're looking at needing help with business tax returns, we've got you covered. Here's how it works.
Yep, and I'm Rob. I'm on the marketing team here at Passageway Financial. And if you have a small business, a medium-sized business, or even a large business, Trevor's a little too humble to tell you this, but he's a certified public accountant, which is kind of a big deal. You've been at KPMG, you've been at Wells Fargo. There's not a tax return you can't stare down, which is something that Trevor's not as good at telling you as what I am. Anna tells me about it all the time. But we're a little bit unique situation when it comes to your tax returns, right? So yes, we do business taxes. We do individual taxes, but only for business owners when they're coupled together. And what that does is it allows us to be what's called an outsourced accountant. Now, if you have a business tax return, we'd love to take a look at it, because what we're really excited about is kind of doing three things for small businesses. So the first thing that we do is when we do your business tax return, we don't just file it. We comb through, we kind of give you more effort than what we should probably. But because we're not so busy on individual tax returns, we can spend a lot of those calories diving in and doing proactive tax reduction analysis. So when you do your taxes, the first thing you're going to get from us is we're going to peer in and find out, are you doing the right things when it comes to your salary versus distribution within an S Corp? Are you capitalizing or writing accounting, capitalization versus...
capitalizing an asset versus expensing it.
Yep. Are your books actually good, or are you just running around waiting for an audit? So when you work with us for a tax return, we're going to stop and we're going to take a look at your business tax return. We're going to take a look at your accounting system and your bookkeeping. We're going to try and come to the table with ideas to add value. And the way we add value is to lower your taxes, make your life easier. That's the biggest difference that we've done. Rather than being a one and done where you spend time, you spend effort doing your own books. And let's be frank, you might have a tax return and your tax return is just waiting for an audit. All of these 15,000 some IRS agents that are going to be coming are going to have something to latch onto because you do your own books. A tax return done for a business is only as good as the bookkeeping that's been done up to that point. If you make mistakes in that, you might be overpaying in taxes because you've been double booking your income, which is a classic problem that we find all the time. QuickBooks might be taking the bank deposit as income, and you might be sending out an invoice or whatever that is. So when you do taxes with us, we don't just do taxes. We approach this from a standpoint of we'd like you to come on board and become part of our outsourced accounting service, which it's not your typical one and done thing. We charge between $500, $1,500, $2,500, $3,500 a month for small, medium, or even larger businesses. And what you get with us is a one-stop shop. So yeah, we'll do your business tax returns, whether you're an S Corp, an LLC, or Schedule C, sole proprietor. I always say LLC versus S Corp. Or even if you're a partnership or a larger C Corp, we can do that tax return. But really what we're going to do is we want to come to the table and we'd like to find ways to add value. So if you like the idea of not just filing your taxes every year, totally unsure whether or not you've been overpaying in taxes, that's what we do here at Passageway Financial. You got to book a consultation with us. Trevor, Anna, you make their life super easy. And you provide immense perspective when it comes, because you came from the corporate world.
Absolutely.
And all I'll say as your marketer is that what I love you guys bring to the table is not only are you doing their taxes, you do their books. You help them pay in their taxes throughout the year so they don't have a big surprise. You set up the right payroll. You simplify their life down to like investing for the future or big picture stuff or even the little stuff. So it all starts with a consultation. Book a consultation. We'll take a look at everything. And then we'd love it if you'd come on board, and we customize our pricing too. So if you're looking at tax returns, that's easy, but we'll build a package that's just right for your small business. So you can go focus and subcontract to us. All your bookkeeping, all your payroll, all that messing around. Don't hire internal employees. So book with us, Passageway Financial. We're looking forward to connecting.